Okay, let's turn this way. Turn this way. It's much better. Hey, Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. Today, as promised, I'm gonna go over the items in the room. I'm gonna be telling you the goods and the bad, prices, and share as much information as I can. So this way, if you decide to buy something, you can make an informed decision. So let me tell you guys, this week makes it my 1 year anniversary on YouTube. Yes, you guys, I can believe it. It has been 1 year already. So we got a toast to the occasion. We're going to do that at the end of the video. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys got a drink, wine, champagne, water, orange juice, milk, whatever you drink, so we can toast at the end of the video. We're gonna get started, but just before we do that, let me quickly give a big warm welcome to all of my new friends. Welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. All right, you guys, let's get started. Oh, please follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou. Let's make sure you guys do that. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna start with the bed. I bought this beautiful comforter. It is a king size. It is from Amazon. It came with these 2 pillowcases, and they are also king size pillowcases. Very beautiful. So I may use the pillowcases as accent in other decor, but I don't think I will use them together. It came with these 2 decorative pillows. I don't care for them much. Now, as much as this comforter is truly glamorous, but it's purely for show, you can only hand wash it, or you have to wash it in cold setting or delicate setting. You cannot put warm water or hot water in it at all. Otherwise, the gold metallic will come off. In that case, I will not sleep with it. But it works for me because I always like to have 1 or 2 comforters that I do not use often, or I only use them on special occasion or when I'm having guests. So this one will be one of them for me. Let's talk about this quilted sheet, you guys. It is everything. It is so beautiful and gorgeous, so luxurious. I love it. I got it from Amazon and it was for $50. It is worth it. It came with 2 king size pillowcases. I love it. Super luxurious. Under the quilted sheet, I have a flat sheet and a fitted sheet. I got the set from Amazon and it was for $45. It came with 4 pillowcases. I like the pillowcases because they came with that nice low design that you see on the border. However, this design did not carry over to the flat sheet, which was a bit disappointed for me. They said it's supposed to be wrinkle free. As we can see, it is not wrinkle free, and it's supposed to be stain resistant. So I have decided to do a test to see whether or not if the fabric is stain resistant. So what I have in here is red wine. So I'm using this layer inside. We're gonna dip it in here. I'm crazy for doing that. Okay. So now you guys, we can see. All right, so now we can see it's all red. It's like purplish now. With the light off, you guys can see it better. So there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom, wash it, and okay, how about we leave it there for, let's leave it there for a little bit. At the end of the video, I'm gonna wash it and come back and tell you guys whether or not it is truly stain resistant. Yeah, these big puffy pillows are from Home Goods. They are really soft and comfortable. They are by Decor and Wine. They came in a bundle deal and they were 2 for $49. I bought 2 sets of pillows from Home Goods. They were by Calvin Klein and Ralph Lauren. They were $25. for two. Both brands were the same price. I love the pillows because they are super comfy and comfortable. I have used Calvin Klein before. Their pillows are durable. This is my first time using Ralph Lauren. Hopefully it will be durable as well. I bought these silk pillowcases from Amazon for us to sleep on, 2 for $12. I used to use silk pillowcases in the past. I stopped, but I'm going back to it again because they said it's really good for the skin and the hair. This is a Ralph Lauren pillow. It's very pretty. All of the other throw pillows are from Home Goods as well, except for the gold one in the middle. The case is from Amazon. The tray is from Macys, $60. On the tray, the candle is from Home Goods. The book is from Z Gallery for $10. The little up thing is from Z Gallery as well for $6. The little vase from Home Goods, and $14 flower from Joanne. The two boxes on the dresser are for jewelry, but I use them to store other things like remote control and coasters. They are from Home Goods, $16 each. The book on top is from Z Gallery, same as the other one, $6, and the one at the bottom is from Amazon, $20. The one from Amazon has some great inspiration for home decor. Both our arts are from Home Goods. The first one $50, the second one $30. Picture frames, Home Goods as well, $13. I think that's all for the new things. I'm gonna go over the old stuff for my new friends. Oh my god, I'm so hot. I'm so hot. The bed is from a company called Stickley Audi here on Long Island Farmingdale. Last time I checked on the website, I did not see the bed. I bought it 4 years ago. I'm gonna leave the information in the description box. Feel free to check it out. It's a really good bed, great quality. I'm glad I purchased it. And the two mirrors on the side are from Home Goods. The three on top are from HomeSense. The wall art is from Home Goods, and the curtains are from Amazon. They have 2 layers, a sheer layer. As you can see, this is the sheer layer, okay, and this is the thicker layer, and they are blackout curtains. The nightstands and the dresser are from Amazon. This mirror on top of the dresser is from Amazon. I love it because it's so pretty. Look at the border, stylish, super nice. The candle holder is from HomeSense and the candle is from Home Goods. The crystal bar was a gift from a wedding that we went to. It's personalized and has our name on it. The vase is from Home Goods. The flowers, Joanne, and the lamps are from HomeSense. And of course, the Echo Show is from Amazon. By the way, this is my husband's side of the bed. On my side, I only have these 4. The bench is from Wayfair. The table is from Wayfair as well. The ottomans are from Amazon. I just got them recently. I love them. They are so comfortable and so beautiful with nice little accent at the bottom. And the rug is from, I think it was from HomeSense or Home Goods. I don't remember, one of them. Okay, over here I have these 2 chairs. They are from Wayfair. The pillow is just like the other one, pillowcases from Amazon. I love these pillowcases. They are so glam but yet so cheap. The throw is from HomeSense. The rug is from Burlington or Home Goods. On the bar cards, everything is from Home Goods except for the drink. The candle smells really good. The rug is from Wayfair. It is an 8 by 10. Going back to the dresser, the pillows are from Home Goods. I have 2 of them, one on each side. The floor arrangement are from Home Goods, and this one, super cute one, is also from Burlington. And the vase is from Home Goods. And this mirror is from Target. I need to get a bigger one to cover more surface. The outlet covers, which I really like how they transform the place, they are from Amazon. The mirror is from Home Goods. The chandelier is from Amazon. Okay, you guys. Yes, when it comes to the stain resistant, yes it is, so that is fantastic. If you can see, there is no wine. You can see the watermark where I wash it. To me, that's a big plus. I will continue to buy from them, although they're not totally wrinkle free. You can see they have a little bit of wrinkle, nothing too bad. Okay, now it's time to toast. Some of you started following me to my very first video. I recognize the names. Thank you so much for that, and thank you to all of you. I'm super excited to see what next year is going to offer. I know it's gonna be fun. I know it's gonna be fabulous. A lot of glam, fabulous home decor, a lot of dancing and laughing, and I know you guys are gonna be great as always. So I'm super excited. Let's say cheers to the Glam Squad family. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Glam Squad with Dalou. I thank you for your time today, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I love you so much.